What's up, guys? Over here at RC Madness. I've just been driving around the buggy on the track with Craig. We're using this Serpent Spider here. Fun little buggy and good to do on a cold day, but being here at RC Madness, I would not want to leave without getting a little jumping in off-road. So I did bring the Quake. I've already tried this truck indoor on the carpet on that first review. I've tried it outdoor on pavement with the ramp in that comparison with the Omni Terminator. And then I tried it off of a ramp into the snow and did some big air snow sends in the last bashing video with that Quake. So now it's time for some dirt jumps. It's cold and windy, but I think we can make it happen. Come along for the ride. Okie doke. All right, so keep that thing straight. Don't let it move an inch.
Yep, like this.
I got that bigger battery in this, the CNHL 3S. Okay, it's windy out. Windy and cold. Hopefully this mic helps with the wind noise. Nice. Ah, it rolls easily. That sucks. That's not a good place to stand. I mean, like over here. Yeah, where I'm gonna land.
You're gonna jump this thing that far.
Oh yeah. He doesn't believe me. Here we go. Boom. Bumps, bumps, bumps. It's so light, it kind of barely lands hard at all. Whoop section's always fun. Oh, mud. See? Perfect.
Thing handles like a dream.
Nice. Oh, that was awesome. Yeah. Nice. All right, let's go back over to the other section. Oh, windy. Ooh. Nice. Oh, barely. All right, let's do a biggie. Nice. It's taking a beating.
Got some fans.
Ready? Fan?
Yeah, you got fans.
All right, freestyle time.
Better show them something. You better go big.
Oh yeah. Let me go say hi. Ready?
Oh, you broke it.
It broke? Oh no.
It's getting in now.
Still going. Looks like the upper arm. Yep, the upper arm broke.
That'll do it.
That'll do it. That's all she wrote, huh? The thing will still drive, but probably not very good for it. What a tough little truck, and probably an easy fix being two-wheel drive, huh? Just, that should be straightforward. Less parts to move out of the way. So, she's a beast. Thanks for joining, guys. Tune in to the next one. And as always, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Thanks.